Hello everyone, welcome to Click English. I'm Tutor Nick. In this lesson, you will start to learn about a very easy tense, the past continuous. This tense is used to divide the past into before and after, as you will see. Often, the past continuous is used to describe the background of a story written in the past tense. For example, the sun was shining and the birds were singing as the lion came out of the trees. Sometimes the tense is used to describe an unfinished action that was interrupted by another event or action. For example, I was having a beautiful dream when the alarm clock rang. It can be used to express a change of mind. For example, I was going to spend the day at the beach, but I've decided to go into town instead. It can be used with the verb wonder to make a very polite request. For example, I was wondering if you could babysit for me tonight. Here are 4 examples. They were waiting for the bus when the accident happened. Caroline was skiing when she broke her leg. When we arrived, he was having a bath. When the fire started, I was watching television. Forming the past continuous. The past continuous of any verb is composed of 2 parts. The past tense of the verb to be, was, were, and the stem of the main verb, plus ing. Okay, that was a lot of information. Let's look at it again.
It is 6 o'clock now. Paul is at home. He is watching TV. At 4 o'clock he wasn't at home. He was at the sports club. He was swimming in the pool. He wasn't watching TV. What were you doing at 11:30 yesterday? Were you working? What did he say? I don't know, I wasn't listening. It was raining, so we didn't go out. In 2009 we were living in Canada. Today she's wearing a skirt, but yesterday she was wearing trousers. I woke up early yesterday. It was a beautiful morning. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. Present. I'm working. It isn't raining. What are you doing? Past. I was working at 10:30 last night. It wasn't raining when we went out. What were you doing at 3 o'clock?